Time management is key when it comes to organising your studies. Keep your notes up to date and plan to take frequent breaks for your head. So the people at Achievers Academy have decided to give you some tips that will help you in the year ahead. A good studying environment allows you to work effectively. Find out what suits you best. A study space away from distractions, just yourself at your desk, or do you work more productively in a group environment? Make sure you are always having breaks and downtime to give yourself time to recharge. This can be done by setting goals and rewarding yourself for completing them. The last and most important tip we can give is don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's from your friends, parents, teachers or tutors, everyone wants you to succeed. You're not the first one to reach out and you're most definitely not the last. So those are some tips that you can use to help boost your ATAR and help you excel in your HSC. From the people at Achievers Academy of Bella Vista, we wish you luck in your future studies.